Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how we can make the flashing lights effect in Adobe Premiere 2019. And it's really simple. So first you need to have yourself a clip in your timeline, then go to Project, right click, New Item, Adjustment Layer, okay. Paste your adjustment layer on your video where you want to have that flashing effect. Go back to Effects and right here light. You will have a stylized strobe light. Take it, grab it and paste it on your adjustment layer. And as you can see, we can't see anything right here. What you can do, what you want to do is to change the strobe color to, for example, black. Go with a strobe duration 0.07. and strobe period go with 0.15. And look at that. Voila, here you got it. But what you can do also is to change the color to white if you want to, but it's going to be like it's like flashbangs, man. What is that? So yep, that's how you do it. And you can also change speed. Let's try to change speed to this one. I don't know what that, I've tried it first time, the random speed, but until this moment just change the settings as I did and it will be perfect. I got no clue what this random speed is doing. Let's put it on 10,000. I just don't know. So this is about it. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I will be really thankful for that. And yeah, thank you very much everybody and goodbye.